What's up guys, my name is Cam, and today I'll show you how to restore about the Bissell powerclean iron pad. If there's a clog in a brush roll or the dirt bin, just give it a good scrub. So when finished, just took the this and press it there, lift it up like this, and empty dirt into the trash can. So next, give the bins a good scrub with sink. So ideally you use this for the lights in the kitchen. I just got home from work, so I'm gonna use a towel. So I got this towel here. We're gonna get our water off this dirt bin. Don't forget to wash the filters real good. So notice that you have to let it dry for 24 hours like this. After 24 hours, you can put the filter back in place. And then, thanks for watching about the Bissell maintenance video. So hit that like button, subscribe, and do comment down below. And we have exclusive features of new pictures. So stay awesome. And please, just get the Bissell Powerful Turbo Rewind for you. And remember folks, the Bissell stick brackets belongs onto the kitchen table to put them where they belong. Yeah.